Pete from Abstract Ocean. In Eric's video, he shows you how to install the rear footwell light bars for a Model Y. Model 3 is exactly the same in terms of where it routes and everything else, and going through the carpet seam just here. But the seats are not as high because they're not on lifters like the Model Y. So what we're going to do is just quickly show you how to do this. So the first thing is move the seat forward and up as far as you can. And we're going to come around the back. And then this bolt here on the seat rail on either side, obviously nearest the door, we need to loosen off quite a bit actually. So about 15 half turns gets it fairly loose. So I'm going to start doing that now, but obviously I'll speed through this bit real quick. Okay, so that's pretty loose. It's still in, but not by much. So it just makes it easier obviously to tighten it back afterwards. So then all we need to do, if I bring the camera around a little bit, move that off a bit. So as I push on the back of the seat, it lifts the rail up and that gives us a nice big gap to slide this light bar underneath. And then we can finish off running it the same as we did on the Model Y video, under the seat and on that plastic bar at the front of the seat. This is probably better done with two people, but I'm kind of going to lean on the chair as I get the light bar. So lean it forward like that. And then find a little spot for the light bar to get under, pull that through, and then we're past the rail. So it's actually pretty easy, just a bit inconvenient that you have to loosen off this bolt. And once you've done that, obviously make sure you've got sufficient slack in the wire to run it under the seat. You may want to complete that part of the installation first, and then tighten the bolt back up. Obviously the seat's part of the safety system, so you want to make sure this bolt is as tight as you can get it, basically. And then that's it. Refer back to Eric's video for the rest of the installation. Thank you.